mchana bwana saa 6.
Hi Alex.
Hi.
Please come.
Oh, I come?
Yes.
Okay. Si unaona ananiambia hi Alex come. Changamka bwana.
Hey, today you look happy.
Hey, I'm happy.
How are you doing?
I'm good. Pariago.
I'm fine.
Yeah.
How is work?
Work iko sawa? Yes. And you?
I'm good.
Yeah.
Did you receive my gift?
Yes, I received your gift. It was very nice. Nilikula nikashiba nikasikia vizuri sana.
That's nice.
Hata nafurahi kufanya kazi hapa. Unajua sijai fanya kazi mahali kama hapa.
Really? That's good to hear.
Yes.
Now, I'm going out for work.
Oh, yeah.
What can I bring for you in the evening when I'm coming back?
Oh, nataka uniletea kitu?
Yes.
Bring me ukiniletea paka. Paka. Nitakuwa sawa. Paka kama ile isku.
What's that?
Paka. Paka si ile inakaa KDF alafu imekatwa ndani imewekwa nyama hivi. Alafu ni kama unaweka matawi hapo. Yeah.
Oh, you mean burger?
Paka.
Not paka, it's burger.
Kwani nasema aje si ni paka? Wewe niletee hiyo alafu nitafurahi, ndio?
Okay.
Sawa.
No problem. Okay. You have a nice day, okay?
Have a nice day too.
Okay.
So I miss you.
Okay, bye.
I miss you.
Bye.
She said I miss you too. Yeah. Bye. Yes. Mufungulie. Nilikwambia. Wewe. Asema ataleta paka.
Ati paka?
Paka. Hapana hii ya kukula hiyo. Paka.
Ubaga.
Nileteo. Unajua sasa sitaikula hiyo kitu. Ananiletea. Sasa niko sure ananipenda. Niko sure kabisa.
Nilikwambia. Hata kama alikuwa anafanya mjanja lakini nilikwambia.
Leo uliniadvise akiruti ni changamuke.
Changamuka bana.
Lazima. Hiyo nitakwambia vile itakuwa.
Lazima utaniambia.
Alex, you here?
I
was looking for you at the gate.
No, I was not at the gate. I left it for the gate man. Me, I am the security engineer of this building.
Okay.
So I have to look the basement.
I know. So, how is work?
It is fine. Where are you going to?
I'm going to the gym.
Oh, gym.
Yes.
That's nice.
I'll brought something for you.
Oh, this is mine. Umeipaka mpaka marashi. Nashukuru sana.
Thank you.
Nitalala na hii ningekola.
No problem. I want to go to the gym. Do you want to join me?
I told you. Now.
Yes.
You'll show me how to.
Yes, I'll show you.
Sawa. You.
Yeah, let me start with this.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh, Pariago. Now me, because I have a police uniform, you know I cannot exercise with it. I'll just watch you.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll give security. Yes.
Let me add the speed.
Okay. Inaongea tu Chinese Unaelewa Chinese? Kuchanga tu. Sasa hiyo ndio mzuri sasa. Yes.
Yes. That's how we do it. You don't want to join me?
No, I will do it later. Let me just watch.
Okay.
Kuchanga tu. Hi.
How are you?
Mambo.
Good.
Utalala bado?
I was almost.
Oh, you're almost sleeping, eh?
Yes.
Mimi niko tu sawa. Ni kiu tu imenipiga huko chini nikaona in this apartment it is only you who can help me because wewe ndio unanisaidianga. Nataka too much.
Water, just water?
Yeah, just water.
Okay.
Class moja alafu nitakuwa sawa.
So you want to come in or?
I can come in if you allow me. I can come in. I just take water. Then.
But I was almost. I wanted to go to sleep. Let me just bring for you the water. Then we can talk tomorrow.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yeah. Okay. Just a minute.
Sure. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice. Now I feel good. I think I'm okay.
You okay? I add you more? Okay. All right.
Good night, eh?
Good night and see you tomorrow.
Yeah, bye.
Okay?
Bye.
Okay, bye. Alex.
Yeah. See you.
What are you doing here?
Huh? See you.
And how did you enter my house?
See, I'm up and around. See you. To malise maneno to.
I thought I had locked my door.
I see.
How did you enter my house? And what are you doing in my bedroom?
See, why are you shouting? See, you lower down your
Alex,
tone.
what are you doing in my bedroom?
See, I want us to, see, you like me and I like you too. So we.
Are you crazy?
See, me and you.
Are you crazy?
Handshake, kitogo.
Can you get out of my room? Get out!
Get out, tena. But I know, wanawake mnakuanga hivyo. You pretend to be angry, like, but I know you want.
Get out of my room.
Get
out!
Unanifukuza tena.
Get out of my bedroom. Get out!
See, I thought you loved me.
Get out! Get out! Get out!
Wait, sasa. See, you love me. You go pole.
This is so embarrassing.
No, it's not embarrassing. See, you like me, I like you.
I've said get out! Get out!
Sasa wewe, si unganini. Si unanipenda na mimi nakupenda.
These men, if you try to be nice, they take advantage of you. Get out!
Si ukue pole.
I said get out! Get out of my house!
Wait.
Get out! Go! Leave my house! Leave my house! I said leave my house!
What is going on here?
No.
Babe, can you imagine?
Nothing.
He tried to rape me!
Hey, you
no, try to rape my wife. No, I can explain. She likes me and I like her.
Explain what?
So this has been happening behind my back?
No, she buys me gifts every day, Paga. Even today we went with her to the gym. She likes me and I like her.
What's going on?
No, baby. It doesn't mean. Listen, baby. No. It's not what you think. It doesn't mean if I buy him burger or whatever, he can just barge into my house and try to rape me.
So you did not let him in?
No, I didn't.
My friend.
Get out.
You are a disgrace to the police force.
Yes.
Listen, baby, we are taking him in.
We are reporting you to the